Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can create a classroom debate coach as an AI chatbot. This way, students can interact with this chatbot, practice their debate skills all on their own time, and also getting some feedback. So here we have a quick example where the chatbot gives them a topic and a stance, and students are able to provide their argument. So they can do this as audio, like you see here, or they can just go ahead and type out their responses as well. And then at the end, the chatbot will give them a quick summary of their performance. So let's go ahead and create this chatbot. So back in Edcafe, we can click on Create New. And from here, we'll click on Chatbot. And I have a prompt that you guys can download in the description below here that I'll just paste in. So we want to tell the AI that it is a classroom debate coach for high schoolers. So you guys can change up this grade level if needed. And then we want to detail what we want the chatbot to do. So start with by randomly selecting a topic, assigning students a stance on that topic, listen to their argument, challenge their argument with a counter argument, and then end with a quick performance summary to let the students know how they did. So take any pieces of this that you want, otherwise you can always add in more. And then I also have a topic pool here. Feel free to edit and adjust these as well for what fits your classroom. So then we can go ahead and create our chatbot. And now Edcafe will go ahead and take those instructions and create a more useful prompt for the AI to follow. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we have our role and objective, so that it's a classroom debate coach. That looks all perfect. When you're looking at these instructions, feel free to review. That way you can edit and adjust as needed. So we have randomly selecting a topic and assign the students a stance. Perfect. They have their arguments. And then the chatbot will immediately offer an argument, a brief rebuttal, and then a summary at the end. Perfect. And let's go ahead and we don't really need the chatbot to do any briefing guiding questions. So we can go ahead and remove that. And I like those three, so that looks good. And then last we have our greeting message. So the greeting message is just telling students what is going to be happening. And then let's go ahead and remove these options. I just want students to jump right into it. So that looks good. Now we can go ahead and give it a save, and you can share it with your students to interact just like we did on this page over here. For more information on sharing it with students and how to do that, take a look at the video linked up above.